there are probably not one person in 100 or 1,000 for whom the United States Maritime Service has any significance. The United States Maritime Service was the training organization of the War Shipping Administration, which was a government organization during World War II. War shipping controlled merchant shipping. They're the ones who sent the ships to Murmansk, to England, to France, to wherever, loaded with explosives or food or whatever was called for. More merchant seamen were killed in some of the battles over in the South Pacific than the other services put together. Their ships were sunk, and they went down with them. A merchant seaman is not part of a uniformed service. He has a jacket and a pair of pants and a pair of shoes, and when his ship hits port, he gets off, he puts those on and gets off and walks around, take a look at this city, and is the object of all kinds of stabs. He's a draft dodger. Why isn't he in a uniform? I had a wonderful commander. The first one, real one I had, was in what was called officer procurement. He had gotten me up to being from an apprentice seaman to a chief yeoman. I was a chief petty officer. So I finally got out of the little white hat and the thing around your neck with a square knot in it, and got into a jacket, pair of trousers, a coat, and a peaked cap, and one of these, 3 of these, and then a thing underneath it. So I was a chief yeoman. And he said, if I need a chief down in Washington, where I'm going, will you come? Now, normally, all you had to do is have somebody write up a set of orders and hand them to me, and I would go. That isn't the kind of a guy he was. He said, if I need one down there, will you come? And I said, sure. Nothing holding me here. And 6 weeks later, I get a set of orders. Come down and report to him. And that's what got me to Washington.